Respected all experts first. There are world class technology experts in our group. Still, we are not in a position to stop the casualties due to lightning stroke. There is no solution coming practicable to avoid lightning stroke to human animal. This is a news from चंद्रपूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. शेतात काम करताना वीज कोसळून व्हायला टाळ. In Chandrapur district at Hubli village, one lady died due to lightning stroke. On this issue, I request all the experts working in this field kindly find out a clear-cut solution to avoid casualties due to lightning stroke. Myself, Ramdas Khandagaya.